Good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Dana Melancon with you on the Brooks Report Live for a Tuesday afternoon edition of our weather synopsis, where we've been, again, since we've moved into our studios here at the Christus Healthcare System, on top of the Wellness Center, been trying to pinpoint exactly when we want to make these a regular event. And most of them are in the morning. But the last several weeks, we've been finding that obviously we're having to make adjustments on rides to and from school. And so we're still trying to find our niche, but didn't want to not touch base with folks on Facebook that might be curious on what the weather has in store for us. And along the coast today, really sort of status quo. In fact, we're only putting in like a 30% coverage of scattered showers for the remainder of the day. But take a look at how it looks outside now. It's really nice. We're looking at our healthcare studio camera number 1, which is located right here on our outside of the studio window. And again, a partly to mostly cloudy sky over most of the area. We're at 88 degrees right now at Lumberton at the recording station that we have there. And again, really only expecting a slight probability of a small scattered shower moving through the area. In fact, if we can pull up Doppler radar, which is here, the rain showers that we're seeing in and around on Doppler radar right now seem to be, we'll switch over to level 3, maybe give us a little bit easier view. Most of the rain is staying offshore and then drifting onshore just outside of Morgan City and Donaldson, Louisiana. So really not looking at much that's going to be affecting us at that point. So we'll jump back over to our pages here. The national forecast maps have us under the influence of high pressure, and that's going to be remaining the case. In fact, today we've only got again a 30% coverage of rain. Tomorrow's going to bump up just a little bit as this high eases out and give us a 40% coverage of showers. Let's extremely quickly talk about tropics, because even though the season's starting to ramp itself up, nothing in the Gulf as of yet, and that's good news. You can see our 2 named storms, Danielle and Pearl, and the 2 systems that are at least bear watching just off the Cape Verde Islands, and then still over Africa at this point. We'll switch over to our Doppler radar and show you what we have on that as far as the forecast, the cones or paths. Again, you can see here would be Tropical Storm Earl that obviously will be staying off into the Atlantic, and Danielle the same. During the next 24, 36 hours, we'll drift a little bit north and east, but then meander through northern Atlantic in this cooler water. So not really expecting anything out of either one of those storms. Again, the rain chances or rain showers that we're looking at now are containing itself still offshore into the Gulf of Mexico. Hey, let's go ahead and give you our rundown as far as yesterday is concerned. The almanac page shows we only peaked at 86. Look at our normal high is 91. We hit 90 periodically over the course of the weekend, but 86 the high yesterday. And the year 2000 was an extremely warm year. You can see we were at 104 on this day. Glad we're not there. Had a trace rain yesterday recorded at the Jack Brooks Airport. Sabine Pass recording 2 high tides, 2 low tides as well. Sun's going to be setting this evening at 7:32. Forecast today, calling for a 30% coverage of showers, 88 the afternoon high, and which we are already there as far as Lumberton's concerned. I think Mid-Jefferson County at the airport is around 86. So we are looking to jump up a few degrees, 71. A little bit better chance of rain tomorrow at 40% that stays with us Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as well. But it keeps our temperatures at bay, mid and upper 80s for highs through the beginning of next week. So we'll take that. And again, we want to let everybody know exactly, what we're doing, and that is trying to, just get a little bit more of a feel of when we're going to be doing these weather broadcasts. And we do want to let you know that on the Brooks Report Live on Facebook, which is our look here, we cover all the news in Southeast Texas that is to be covered. Adam and the gang do the best job of covering local news, bar none. And we are actually ramping up our efforts as far as weather is concerned to provide you with some of the best technology, which we're still installing in our new studio here at Christus, and coverage as well, and keeping things local, which is something that the other media outlets are not able to do. So again, here we see some of the things that are on Facebook. We're also covering the Lumberton Raider football games for you on Southeast Texas Express Radio. So if you get the opportunity to download our app on your phone, Google Play or the App Store, or just listen, you can listen on your desktop at SoutheastTexasExpress.com. We'll be covering the Lumberton Raiders. It'll be a home game, but you can still listen to the action provided by, I believe, it'll be Patron, and I think Adam Brooks will be joining us in my chair. He's going to try to do as many of the home games as he can so I can do the stadium announcing. And we'll be covering that. Kickoff is at 7:30 this go around, where the Raiders take on the Nacogdoches Dragons. And it'll be here at our home studio. So make sure you join us. I'm meteorologist Dana Melancon here on the Brooks Report Live. Thanks so much for letting me join you this afternoon for a Tuesday edition of our weather synopsis. Thanks so much.